In this video from Device Doctor, I will show you how to fix the problem when the laptop does not show any drives during Windows installation on HP Generation 11 and 12 laptops.
Hey, are you still spending your money at repair shops? Join Device Doctor and learn how to fix your laptop and desktop yourself and enjoy the savings.
First, create a folder inside your bootable USB drive where your Windows files are stored. I will name the folder RST, but you can choose any name you like. Just make sure to remember the name of this folder. Next, open the file that you download from the description of this video. In the location selection part, choose the folder you created inside your bootable USB drive. Run the file and wait until the process is completely finished. Now connect a USB drive properly to your laptop. Turn it on and press the F9 key. Now select the USB drive and press OK. Then choose 64-bit or 32-bit depending on your system. After that, continue to enter the setup. Now you will see that no drives are showing. Just click on the option that says Load Driver. Now click on the Browse option. Now open your bootable USB drive. Then find the folder you created earlier and open it. Now open the VMD folder and select the first option you see. After you select the first option, click on Next and wait for the file to install. Now you can see that the process was completed successfully and all your drives are visible. If this video helped you, please support us by clicking the like button and subscribing to the channel.